Hi, Jason here from Clear Automotive, here to show off our newest jump and carry portable jump starter, the JNC 550A. This unit takes multi-function jump starting to a whole new level, with many helpful features and components optimized specifically for jump starting vehicles. So let's start with the internal battery. The JNC 550A comes equipped with a Chlor Proformer battery, which is specifically designed and engineered for jump starting. The battery delivers high peak amps, extended cranking power, numerous jumps per charge, and a long service life. All the components in the power path are designed to support the goal of getting the jump starter's power to the disabled vehicle. This includes the heavy-duty 4-gauge cable leads and ergonomic industrial-grade clamps that penetrate corrosion on the vehicle's battery posts. The unit also features a master on-off switch, which disables the unit during storage and transport. A 12-volt output allows the charging of accessories, and the 2.4 amp USB outlet charges small electronic devices such as phones and tablets. A rubber boot provides increased stability and protects the finish of the vehicle being serviced. The unit also adds the convenience of an onboard 120 psi air compressor equipped with a 24-inch braided air hose and air gauge. So you'll never be stranded with a flat tire again, or have to desperately find a gas station and wait for air. The unit also features a LED task light, which can be used as a roadside warning with its emergency flashing capability. All in all, the JNC 550A is your new all-in-one jump-starting powerhouse from Jump and Carry.
This electric car jack is powered by electro-hydraulic, and a powerful motor can lift the vehicle in 2 minutes. The impact wrench included in this kit allows for quick tire changes. The electric jack display makes it easy to check car tire pressure. 2 power supply modes can meet more vehicle maintenance needs.
Introducing the all-new Energizer 100-watt power inverter. The EN100 converts 12 volt of current from your car or boat and converts that power into standard household current. With up to 100 watts of power, you can use it with laptops, cell phones, MP3 players, digital cameras, and more. Simply connect this inverter to your cigarette lighter and get power on the go. With 2 USB ports that share 2.1 amps, you'll be able to directly charge an iPad, iPhone, and many other compatible USB charge devices from cell phones to GPSs. Most inverters have a built-in fan which can get very noisy. The EN100 is ultra-silent. It has no built-in fan. By using higher-grade components than a standard 100-watt inverter and with a copper heatsink, we have created cooling efficiency which enable us to eliminate the annoying fan altogether. Now you can enjoy listening to your favorite tune without having the fan running in the background. Using a power inverter has never been easier, and that's what you've come to expect from a brand like Energizer.
Alexa, play my music.
Okay.